Assalamualaikum. Tip number 3. It's very important for you as youth, as summer employees, to understand that these summer jobs are provided for 3 main reasons. One is to help youth who is mostly living below the poverty line get the paycheck. Number 2 is to develop youth and their skills as would-be professional, as contributing professionals of the work market Canada needs for tomorrow, inshallah. So basically putting your book knowledge that you're studying at university, college or school into action is the key element. The third most important thing is to have the professional experience working under the mentors, and to develop your work ethics, to develop your understanding between rights and responsibilities, rules and ethics of any workplace, regardless of you're working remotely, connecting with virtual settings, or you're actually on site. This is very important to understand the actual program mandate of these summer jobs that are provided to youth. So when you actually are connected, engaged, hired by an employer, these 3 things will be the front and center of every employer's conduct. So they will mentor you by different professionals. They will mentor you through different settings. They will mentor you through different projects and events provided to you. And every mentor has their own style of engagement, so you need to understand the style, the rules and ethics of engagement, and you have to maintain your desire and establish your desire to learn, to develop skills and to share them when you actually enter the work market after finishing your degree. So it's very important for you to understand the criteria and the purpose of these summer jobs, and I wish you all good luck with your summer jobs this year and every year, inshallah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullah.